We're once again back in the bedroom, back in packing. We're gonna be packing once again for a 2-week trip, well, almost 2 weeks, for a 2-week trip using carry-on only, 3 kids. This time we're going to Florida over for Christmas time. So I will just walk you guys through to make sure that I don't forget anything. And just in case you ever wondered how to pack within a carry-on when you're traveling with children. So let's go. First things first. You need a little helper, and you also need your carry-on suitcase. So we're going to open this up. So we have like this one section where we keep the cars. No, we keep the shoes. And then on the other side, right here, don't close it. On the other side, we're going to, so this area is just there to kind of push things down. And then this is where we're going to be putting all of the packing cubes. So the suitcase that I'm using is from Monos, in case you haven't seen it. And I also bought the Monos packing cubes. And I will show you what we're going to be just kind of filling up in there. So let's get started. I should also mention that I brought my little Muji notebook. It does help when you have like an actual packing list. If you want to see like a copy of this, I guess I can post it. But basically I just broke it down into planner, clothes, what's going to be going into the carry-on, and toiletry, and anything that I don't want to forget for the kids. So this is as far as I made it so far. I do have a few things that are getting washed right now, but I do have 1, 2, 3 pairs of pants, 1 pair of shorts. I'm contemplating on, I don't know, I don't even think I'm gonna need these jeans. I think I'm just gonna leave this behind and then maybe bring, I don't know, maybe bring something else instead. Oh, I think what I could bring is I do have another Lulu's. These are like the shorter capris. You know what I mean? These things. Okay, thanks a lot, buddy. Obviously he's excited. So I think I'm gonna bring this instead. I'm not gonna bring another pair of jeans because I'm gonna be traveling in this one, so it's good to go. And then these are all the tops, some underwear, socks. I put everything kind of in one. And then here we go. Okay, quick little recap before I let you guys go and we wrap up. I think I'm done. So here's this side. I'll just show you real quick of how everything fits. So we have, I think these are shirts, and I kind of compressed it as much as possible. This one has all the makeup, and we have, I'm not gonna unpack it, but basically it's all of my makeup in one bag. I'm bringing my runners, and then you can kind of tell it's like there's still space here. On this side, again, so it gives you the option to compress it, and I could, but honestly, because there's still space here for me to pack more if I really want to on both the ends. Like, I don't overpack this. So anyways, this is all bottoms. This is all, I believe this is like underwear and bathing suit and whatever. And then this is sort of the, like everything, like toothpaste, toothbrush. So this is all of the cosmetic stuff and like skincare and whatever. So once this is packed, this is what it looks like from the top, and then we can move on to the next suitcase. But at least we have 1 pair of shoes. If I really wanted to, I could jam in another one, but I'm really not going to bother with it because it's not necessary. And then we can just close this guy up like so, making sure that the edges are kind of tucked in and closed off. I'm gonna leave this open for just a little bit because we're still washing a couple of the shirts that I'm gonna be taking with me. But this is kind of what it looks like when you completely pack up. I think that the big thing is to have your packing list ready, which I showed you earlier. Like, I have it all written out, but basically as long as you don't bring like, you know, 7 to 10 socks, 7 to 10 underwear. Like, I brought, let me see how many bottoms. I think I only brought like maybe 3 to 4, but I bought like a variety, something warmer. I'm going to be traveling in jeans, which is not ideal, but it's like the warmest one that I have out of everything. So I have like just track pants. These are long joggers. These are capri joggers, 1 pair of shorts and 1 pair of leggings. And that's basically all we need. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of pants. And like, I wouldn't even call the shorts pants, but whatever. Yeah, we have the bathing suit. And so yeah, that's basically it. But I will show you guys at the very end. We'll do a little outro, and all that's left really is just the travel backpacks. And the good thing about these is that I can take like a lot of the, I don't know, like throat lozenges and books and like all of those. I have like a full list here, along with like passport, planner, any of the snacks. I'm planning on bringing some of my warm socks, some tea, which I always pack at the front of my backpack. Some of the charger stuff, I'm going to try to shove them in between the 2 backpacks because they're large enough. And then I'm going to bring the camera that I'm using right now to make this video, and like a small, like the memory card and whatnot. So all of that can go into my carry-on backpack, which is why I'm always insisting on having like these larger ones, because it makes such a big difference. You can actually pack it up really similar to a suitcase. So anyways, I will show you guys the final everything once we're all finished. So let's go. Okay, before we wrap up, I just wanted to show you the backpack of like what I actually packed in here. So front pocket, I have some throat lozenges. I do have, here we go. So we have some hand cream. I also have some tea. And I'm just gonna place in my phone, and that's it there. And then on the inside here, you're gonna have a hard time seeing it, so I'll just tell you, I have the Beats headphone. Here we go. So we have the headphones. I'm also planning on adding in my Kindle in the back pocket, but I'll show you, I have most of it laid out. So as far as planners are concerned, I'm bringing my Hobo Weeks and my little notebook. I also have a small little pencil case, wallet. I have this little pouch that I kind of filled up with more oils, chapstick, pen, elastic. So it's like a little bit of everything. Some Kleenex. So this should be good, and it's small and compact. More chapstick, my pens, stationery, and then I have this pencil case that I put most of my cables in. Okay, they're so loud, one sec. So I think that I'm just gonna use this for like basically cable management. And I have another little like emergency kit type of thing that has both band-aids and my razors in there. So this is all that's kind of gonna go into the carry-on, along with my iPad, obviously my phone and my Kindle, and that's it. We finished. Here we are in turbo lighting. Backpacks are packed, and this is all I wanted to share with you. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give it a thumbs up, you can subscribe, do all of the things, and I cannot wait to see you on the flip side when we make it to Florida.